Assalamu alaikum. Today amazing day in Pakistan and I'm today in Pakistani dress. And you can't believe, but today we will cooking pizza. But this is pizza, healthy pizza, of course. This is low calories pizza, high protein pizza, and you can eat this when you have diet. And this is amazing snacks for child in school or breakfast before school. So your child will be very happy with the same snack. So what we need for this healthy pizza? This is healthy product. Chicken breast browning, pepper green, corn, boiled eggs, mozzarella cheese, homemade ketchup not spicy and homemade ketchup spicy, small tomato, fresh eggs, different greens, olive, and salt, pepper. So also we need pizza bread or pita. This can be or white or brown. It's meaning how much calories you want. Of course, white bread is more calories, and brown bread, this is little bit less calories and more vitamins. I have today white, but this is not issue. And main product, this is leaves of spinach. This is amazing product, have a lot vitamins and minerals. Oh, amazing. So we can start. First, what we will do, this is mixed 1 egg. We'll do this. Little bit salt, little bit black pepper, and good mix this. Now start make pizza. Bread coming to special silicone form. This is form for air fries, because today pizza with air fries, my favorite kitchen gadget. So we're preparing pizza bread. Put these eggs over this bread. Don't worry if this is sleeve. For full bread doing eggs. And now you put all ingredients what you like. Start with, of course, with my favorite chicken breast. High protein product and very fat low. This is main product for all sportsmen, athletes, and people who worried about your health. Now put this. Next boiled eggs. Again, if you want, you can use York. If you don't want, you can use only white eggs. And one more. Let's go. Next will be corn. Oh, this yellow color, beautiful. Green pepper for color and for vitamins. Look how beautiful color have this pizza. Cherry tomato. We'll cut this half. Now, olives, little bit ketchup. I know like spicy, so that's why I will use not spicy. Little bit salt. Little bit pepper. So our pizza ready for go to air fries for 5-7 minutes. But after few minutes we will check how it's feeling our pizza, and we will add more spinach and mozzarella. You can open any program. I'm open program meat. Only for 2 minutes, and other minutes we will check. So 2 minutes complete, and we open our pizza and add other ingredients what we will have. So we have spinach, few leaves spinach, black pepper, greens, and main ingredients for all pizzas, this is mozzarella. From cheese, you can eat only cottage cheese if you're worried about your body and body weight, and mozzarella cheese. This is low-fat cheese and high-protein cheese. Now we put it again in air fries for a few minutes. So, 2 minutes complete. We'll check what we have. Oh, very looking beautiful. Check for this. I think very beautiful. 4 minutes for cooking in air fries and few minutes for make this pizza. I think this can do, and kids also. And this is amazing breakfast for full family or for child or snack to school. I think your child will be very happy for this.